Have you ever wondered how effective open houses are for selling homes? According to the National Association of Realtors, less than 3% of homes actually sell through an open house event.
The reason behind this is quite understandable. Many people find it challenging to grasp the complexities of digital marketing, and the fear of technology can be overwhelming. However, at Metro Area Development, we have embraced the 21st century practices and specialize in giving our homes a massive digital online footprint.
We understand that the majority of buyers begin their home search online. In fact, a staggering 93% of buyers start their search on the internet according to the NRA. That's precisely where our expertise lies, ensuring our homes show up right where potential buyers are looking.
I can tell you that the traditional methods of selling homes are still heavily relied upon by many. However, our approach here at Metro Area Development is different and far more effective. We focus on exposing your home to a vast audience, leveraging digital marketing and social media to reach thousands of interested individuals. Our ability to retarget our homes to those who have previously shown interest in similar properties further enhances our chances of success.
Mastering digital marketing and social media is a crucial aspect of our strategy, and it directly impacts the amount of money you get for your property. Our specialized technique not only ensures widespread exposure to your home, but also deliver high-quality customer service throughout the entire process.
Negotiations and customer service are essential elements in our approach. We believe that giving your home the exposure it deserves while providing you with seamless experience is paramount.
While it's true that some homes are selling quickly due to limited inventory, we firmly believe that neglecting digital marketing and exposure can cost our sellers more money than they might realize. That's why we go above and beyond to ensure that every home we represent receives the attention it deserves.
When choosing an agent, you want someone who is truly qualified to sell, market, and negotiate on your behalf. With Metro Area Development, you can trust that your most valuable asset is in capable hands.
Call us today and you'll be amazed at the level of service and unique strategies that we use to get your home sold. Whether your property is large or small, rest assured that we have a specialized marketing plan tailored to today's dynamic market. Remember, at Metro Area Development, every day is a great day to buy or sell real estate.